In this video, I'm going to show you some products I got from Amazon and show you some easy nail designs using these Christmas stickers. Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. I really hope you're having a great morning, evening, or night, whatever the case may be. I want to remind you also to subscribe and hit that like button for me if you're enjoying my content. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys this little package I got from Amazon. It comes with these nice little tweezers here that will help you pick up rhinestones or whatever else you need to pick up that are in these packages that came with it. So first I'm going to show you this package, and in here are just really various different colors of rhinestones, pink, green, a lot of different variety. And this next one, these are mainly silver rhinestones, and there's also a pink in there and I think like an orange color too. All right, let's look at this little tool here. So what this tool is like a wax adhesive pin, and what this side of it does is this will help you pick up those rhinestones in order for you to place them on your nail or whatever you want to place them on, whatever you're into, whether it's crafts or nails. Having one of these little pins can be very useful. And the other side of this little pin will just help you to move that product around once you place it on your nail or wherever you're placing it. I'm going to show you guys this other container here. So these colors in here immediately reminded me of like Christmas and the season that it is now. Very pearly white and a little bit of pink in there. Just that color you're looking for the holidays. Before I get into these designs, I'm just going to place down a white background on all of my nails. And I will leave all these products down below for you guys. All right, here we go. I am going to attempt to make some nail art with these Christmas stickers that I got from Amazon as well. I'm just going to show you guys really fast the different patterns they have and all the different variety that come in this pack. As you see, that's like a Christmas sweater one right there. This one I thought was really cute. It had little sheep on it, just adorable. And the other designs, I'm just going to swipe those across the screen for you guys, and you can pause them, go back, look at them if you found one that was particularly interesting. Yeah, so there are those designs. I went ahead and went with this one. So let's go ahead and take it off. You want to be very careful when you're taking these stickers off with these metal like tweezer things. You don't want to mess them up. So I'm going to put a little tree on this one because I don't know, it's Christmas, a tree, I guess, you know, goes together, right? All right, just make sure you pat it down really good when you're putting these stickers on. And you guys, this nail design didn't come out as great as I envisioned it in my head. So you'll just have to excuse me. I'm not that big of a nail artist, but hey, I'm trying. And so I use this little cute snowman for the next one. Isn't he just so cute? All right. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet and you made it this far, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Remember to hit that like button as well, and notifications if you want to be updated when I upload a new nail product review. So after I'm done with my stickers, I'm going to take some base coat because I don't have any charm glue or anything like that. I'm just going to put it on there, and then I'm going to sprinkle some of those, like, I guess, glittery type shapes onto the base coat, and it'll help it stay on there. And then after that, I will be curing this in my lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just kind of sprinkling it over on that wet base coat, just wherever on the nail that I want to put them. They have different shapes, and I'm going to put a charm up there. As you see, it started to slide a little bit. That's because this is not glue or anything. It's just base gel. And so I'm just working with what I have. And after curing that, I'm going to put a top coat on there, and I am done with these designs. You guys, let me know if you liked any of these. I know they're a bit rough, but if there's anyone that you really like, let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave me a like and subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you haven't subscribed yet. I will see you guys on my next review.